Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video we've got the Razer Kraken X Lite 7.1. So this is Razer's budget headset. Again, it's part of the Kraken series, but it's the X Lite. So it's the cheapest one, but at the same time it's still pretty good. So in this video we're going to be reviewing it. And if you do want to pick this product up, there will be a link in the description where you can get it from Amazon. And it's a secure link to Amazon, so don't worry. So we'd really appreciate if you could use that, because that link supports our channel. So the product is presented very well. When you open the box, it's got this thing for gamers by gamers, and compared to other headsets which I have had in the past or unboxed, it's a lot more professional, and there is this nice note in there too. But in comparison to the other headsets I've unboxed, it's certainly the best one, with its presentation being on point. So now we're going to open the box and really see the headset that's inside. So inside there's this packaging, and that's all that there's in the box. And then you have your headset, and the headset's in this bag, and the bag also has the same thing that other stuff say, for gamers by gamers. Again, it looks really smart, and it's presented very well. Unlike other headsets that have a plastic bag, this has a different type of bag with some nice lettering on the outside too. So now we're going to go and open up the headset. So I'm trying to do it one-handed, so it takes a bit of effort to do so, but it's in a really smart shade of black, and this is a good looking black, and on a headset it looks really clean and simple. Inside you've got your 3.5mm audio cable, and there's also an adapter right there. So you've got two cables which come with it. One that's built in, which is your normal audio 3.5mm jack, and then you've also got another cable which is if you have a PC, and it has separate mic and audio ports. So that's an adapter, so that's pretty cool too. And then it's got this nice plastic around the outside, and it has a very nice silvery finish too, so it looks very cool. And at the top it says Razer. It's got this very plush pillow at the top that works well if you have glasses, and it doesn't squish your head, as I tried out. And I was testing this headset. It feels really good. It allows a bit of space around your ears, but it's an over-ear headset. The mic is okay. It's not very good, but for a headset it works. So yeah, here's the adapter cable. So you just plug it onto the main cable, and then you could have your two separate ports for your PC if it has a mic and audio, two separate mic and audio ports. And then the mic is very so you can move the mic a lot, which is very useful. So you can move it close to your mouth, away from your mouth. And I find this very useful. So guys, if you do want to buy this product, please use the link below, and I'll see you in the next one.